Well, so here we are, it's 10:30, 10:43, and looking at the markets a little bit here. Already was successful with one trade about 5-6 minutes ago to the downside, and the question is, are we going to keep going to the down? We're going to find that out, right? I'm going to just do one to the upside there, and we're going to see if this works. Because this might just range for a little bit here, okay? And it might drop. But it went down a little bit, this probably will go down again. We'll see how that goes. Alright, we're going to... Okay. Put that on the 1 minute. Okay, so you see how it's ranging through here? There's just really not much go here happening. But looks like it's going to go a little bit. Alright, we're going to flatten out at 14. And the reason we're doing that is because, this might go up, but the point is we know for a fact that it's only gone up this far before. Okay, so it looks like it's going to go up past that. And then the question becomes, is this going to just drop? Usually, when we have something like this, it drops. But we'll find out. So there's the drop a little bit as it ranges. Okay, so here I'm questioning, is it going to go up through this? Is it going to go up through here again, or is it going to drop? Or at the bottom, is it going to do what, go back up through the range of these few candles here, like the last 3 minutes or what have you? Okay, so, there isn't really a strong, they're ranging, they're fighting it out here is what's going on. Alright, let's sell here one. Okay, I'm going to flatten out right there. And so we just collected 7 there, right? But I'm flattening it because, again, they've been ranging, and I'm just doing a very short range here. Maybe I'll do this once, which was the time I just did that. I just did it once, okay? So what we're doing here is I wouldn't want to put much size on this at all at this point. But I mean, it could just drop below here. Then I would be going, oh, maybe we should have more size on this. Alright, so I'm going to sell here. I wonder if it's going to be a mistake or not. This is just ranging up and down a little bit. But I think it's going to go to the downside, and that's why I'm selling there some. So we'll see if that works. Okay, so there we got another 55 or thereabout with just 1 micro. So there you go. So there's the idea that you can make something, with micros to build an account. Okay, so here we have that it's proven that it's gone down, yet it then moved back up through the wick here, and the question becomes, is it going to drop down through again? I'm going to sell one and then I'm going to pretty much call this a day. Okay, that's how quick this will be. Okay, so okay, so it's not really pushing down at this point. In fact, it might turn around. Oh dear. Come on. Alright, so this is a time when, you know, it's just not doing much of anything, so I'm going to flatten this out here pretty soon. Actually, I think I'm going to reverse this. Maybe I shouldn't reverse it. I might be losing my money. Okay, I'm going to flatten at 27 or thereabout. Okay, so there's that. Alright, so what did we do today so far, right? And what I'm showing here is that, you know, it's possible just to be here, do what you got to do, get out, move on. Okay, hopefully this collected. Okay, it did do it all. Okay, so there's all about $100 for the day. We can simply call that done and move on. What do you think? Is that the way to do it? So let's do a print there of that. Let me do that again. Alright, so we're done, did what we could do, but here's what's going to happen here, right? Because I just saw this turning around, I'm going to do 2, and I'm protecting my profit, so to speak, and then I'm going to quit, because it looked like it was going up, but I could be really so wrong on this. See how this moved here? Now, I'm finding out I probably entered too late, okay? You know, should have just left it be, right? But I think it'll keep going up. Maybe a little. Okay, I'm going to flatten out here at 34. Oh, look at that. Okay, so I flattened out at 12. Alright. And the question is this going to take off here? I'm going to buy 2 again. It's going to go up through there. Yeah, got to be done, because this is the time when you can start making trades and wish you weren't. Okay, you can wish that, because it could start going down on you, and then you're like, well, I should have done this, I should have done that, and then you just plainly didn't. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to 1 here. I'm going to buy 1 more. Oop, back down to this. They're fighting it out here, but they're fighting it to the upside. All right, so I'm going to flatten this out at that amount there. Okay, so that's it. So we're calling, you saw me flatten it out around 50 or thereabout, right? So we add it to it a little bit, we're done, and you know, that's how quick this can be. And so it's a short video versus yesterday's video. So we're up $100 or so, okay? And what we need to do, right, is practice the attitude of how to say this. You know, that the market's always there, and you're going to be able to take advantage of the ups and downs of this market to either enter, you know, to the long or short side. So it's not as if you're going to feel like you're missing out. Okay, so you know, it's, I can still remember when I first started and I'd see the market going up, 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 and I'd be thinking, well, I know it's not going to go up forever, but I couldn't help myself. I would just enter, 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 enter. Then it would go down. Okay, now I'm going to enter to the short, short, short. Now it's going to go up. Now I'm going to enter, 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 long, long, long. And I would just be chasing the market, right? And the market then is dominating my psychology at that point. Well, here I feel like I have a partnership with the market now, okay? And that feeling of partnership gives me permission to visit my friend, so to speak. The market is my friend, so to speak, is the analogy. And we're doing a little handshake. We're exchanging a little time together. I walk away with a little bit of money, and the market walks away with a, hi, how have you been? It's you know, good to see what you're doing today. And that's about it, okay? So we got to have that attitude change in our heart that makes an attitude change of I'm not chasing dollars, and I'm not chasing the market, and I'm not chasing these candles, okay? And you go from there, okay? This is going to go up through here, but guess what? I mean, that's my opinion. It's going to go up through here. And my thinking is, okay, fine, it's going to go up through there. That's my opinion about it. It's my actions about it are nothing. I don't feel a thing, okay? And that's the point. It's just going to go shooting right up through. But guess what? I feel fine, and I'm done. All right, talk with you all later.